trial and error. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tabitha and I am a 30-year-old small business owner just chasing my art dreams. And as you could tell with the title of this video, I'm going to be trying sublimation for the first time. And we're going to go through all of the trials and errors together. I don't have any 100% polyester shirts, so we're going to be testing it on my 50% cotton, 50% polyester sweatshirts and see how that goes. Eventually, I really want to do mouse pads, mugs, coasters. You can make so much with sublimation. So let's go ahead and test it out together. I did a little ASMR unboxing, so let's go ahead and jump into that. So the plan was to print it from my iPad, but unfortunately I kept getting this general error and could not seem to figure out how to fix it. So I actually end up having to send this image to my laptop to be able to print it. So in this video, I'm going to be using the Caesar 9x12 heat press. You can also use like the Cricut press or whatever you have. The A-Sub sublimation paper. This is the standard letter size, so 8.5 by 11 inches. It has the suggested transfer instructions on the back. I end up using the textile application, so 400 degrees for about 35 seconds. Heat transfer, no residue tape. Gildan's cotton polyester blend sweatshirts, sublimation transfer coating spray, and of course the Epson sublimation printer with the T49 sublimation ink. So I don't know what I was thinking, but this is actually the wrong sweatshirt. I grabbed just a gray one I had in my closet, and this one was actually 70% cotton, 30% polyester. So you're about to see why you do not want that high of a cotton percentage, because it does not work whatsoever. So I pretty much knew immediately because the paper was kind of like stuck to the sweatshirt and I was really having to pull it off. And then I noticed that the ink looked weird, and sure enough, it just did not turn out well at all. So I think 50-50 is pretty much your max on the cotton percentage. As you can see, the sweatshirt really did not take any of the ink, very little. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it again, and I'm gonna try it on this pink sweatshirt, which also wasn't the best. I think with sublimation, you really want to stick to whites or very light gray, but I wanted to try it because I wanted a pink one for myself. So I go ahead and test it out. So you've probably noticed there is a lot of trial and error that goes into trying new crafts and projects. For this, I do think it turned out cute. The thing is with sublimation, you really want to use 100% polyester shirts, and this is a 50-50 blend, so it only has 50% polyester. So I think that's a big reason why it looks kind of muted. The colors aren't super vibrant, but it's just for me, so I think it's pretty cute. I'm gonna go ahead and try one more that's more color, because a lot of this is white. So I'm gonna try to print my reindeer and see how that goes. So I decided to go with the Epson one because it was one of the more affordable options, but I'm also already familiar with the brand because I use their Eco Tank at work. So my biggest issue with it so far is, of course, I can't get my iPad to connect, which hopefully I can get that fixed, but I really would like to be able to print larger sizes, which of course is not the printer's fault because it only goes up to that 8.5 inch width. So if I stick with it, I definitely would like to upgrade to at least be able to do 10 inches wide. So that is my sublimation reindeer and Santa Claus. I really hope you enjoyed this video and watching me kind of struggle and learn a little bit more about sublimation. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I really want to try making mouse pads, mugs, all kinds of different stuff. And I'm thinking the mouse pads will be a little bit easier because they are full polyester. I think these would have turned out a lot better if I was actually using a higher polyester sweatshirt, but I do think they turned out pretty cute for it being a 50-50 blend, especially the reindeer since it's in full color. So I'm really happy and excited to wear these for the rest of the Christmas season. But don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video for Craftmas number 4. Bye!